wow. Hey, look how close he is. Let's go, go. Speed.
You know, if you want to risk it today, it's fine.
I just want to say, yeah, it's people like you that are making a difference in this world, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, take this. You're the change of this world, alright? Keep doing your work, man. Good morning, boys. 6 a.m. We're going to a place where we can get together. It is 6 a.m. It's foggy outside. Let's go. You know what day it is today? It's Friday and it's Eid day. Well, people will go to the mosque and pray, get together, just reflect on the Lord. It's been a month of worship, fasting, and obviously me doing the good old POV drives in the Skoda VRS 2-litre 170. Oh man, look how foggy the roads are. Not a soul in sight because it is 6:30 in the morning. You know what they say, early bird catches the worm. You know, my last video I said waking up early has changed my life. That video was only supposed to get like 100 views. It ended up getting more than like 500 views. I didn't expect you guys or people to be recommended that, and I think there's something happening, and I feel like people are just getting really motivated, disciplined, and they've had enough. And this is the time where we're all gonna like chase our dreams and make everything happen, because everything that's out there in the world is there to distract us from our dreams and goals. It's made us all be in our homes and, you know, be separated. I'm making this video to talk about unity and love, and also big shout to all the members that have joined the channel. There's 5 people. Dino Days have just joined this morning. I've just checked the account. I just want to say thank you very much for joining the channel, and to me that shows love and unity. And obviously I'm going to send out merch for everybody that joins the channel, £2.99. I'm not trying to sound anything, I just really want to create unity and, you know, a bond where we can share the love of cars, and through cars we can build something special, a place where we can motivate each other, you know, share knowledge, work together, you know, go karting, have meals together. We wake up, we go to work, we come home. We wake up, we go to work, you know, rinse, repeat every single day. But then that's it. I feel like, you know, if we connected on a daily basis, if we spoke together, like the videos, the only way, and share our cars and talk about cars. And that's the thing, like if you're born in the 90s, cars was the only thing that would, you know, it was very therapeutic. It doesn't matter about what you are, who you are, what colour skin you have, what your background is, what you work as. You know, cars is what brought everybody together in car meets. You have your own car, and your car will represent your characteristics, who you are, how you done the car up, your taste, and people will look at that and respect that. They don't judge you. You know, I think obviously the car scene has changed so much in the past 10 years, but we can always bring that back, and I feel like that's something that I want to bring that back, and I want to like try my best. But anyways, what a day. Friday, 6 a.m. excuse me, we are running very late. We can't go any faster than that because there's dirty zones, there's cameras. Like I said, I do feel like the society and the environment and everything that's happening in the, you know, around the world, there's a divide happening, and there shouldn't be a divide. We should all embrace unity as much as possible. That is something I just want to share. Like, I haven't met you guys obviously, and I'm taking you guys with me on my journey in the drives and talking about cars, because that's what I like. If you guys are joining it, I feel like that's the aim and that's the goal. That's what I really want to do. It's so chilled out at 6:30 a.m. There's no rush hour. It's pretty good. The minute rush hour begins around, like, I'd say about just before 8 a.m, everybody's like, rawr, rawr, rawr. Like everybody's fighting, get to work, horning and all sorts. This is why waking up early has changed my life. Like, I get this opportunity where I can reflect upon myself. What Michael Jackson said, look at the man in the mirror. And we should work on ourselves before we can point the finger at, oh, you did something wrong, or you're supposed to do this. Look at the man in the mirror, work on ourselves, you know, build ourselves up, our characteristics, the way we talk, the way we behave, the way we show unity, the way we show love. There's another quote that I want to say. River Phoenix, Joaquin Phoenix's brother, who sadly passed away, he said, run to the rescue with love and peace shall follow. That is one powerful quote. I've like incorporated that. Anybody that needs help, want to share unity and love, you know, run to the place. And I'm telling you, peace will always follow. It's so true. We're all brothers at the end of the day. We all should support each other. Unity is what I'm gonna say. Bob Marley made quote, the bad guys, they never take a day off, so why should I? And obviously he says light up the darkness. So unity, it's our duty, it's our responsibility to bring that in all our lives as much as possible. And so, you know, I want to do that. All I ever think about sometimes is how I can build unity in the world, because it's our responsibility. When I was younger, I've always watched these inspirational speakers, you know, Mama Teresa, Gandhi, you know, Malcolm X, you know, trying to build unity across the world. That's our #1 goal, and for me, through cars, I feel like we can build unity. The car community is strong, guys. Right, so we got a bit late for that one, so we moved to another mosque. So we're gonna go, speed. That guy's going to the same direction as well. Let's go, come on. Oh, he's going for it, the driver is. It's a Leap motor. That's Chinese car, that is. EV, diesel versus EV. But I'm not gonna overtake him because we need him for guidance. Let's go. Come on. You can see he's not using all the angles of the road. I'm gonna get this video uploaded for you guys. Yeah, I parked over there.
You know, they got tickets the other night because of double yellow line. All of these guys.
Serious?
Yes, they got tickets.
Just you know, if you want to risk it today, it's fine. But they get them tickets every now and then. It's double yellow line.
Thank you, man. I really hope this is gonna be done quick.
Not,
yeah.
Just praise yourself.
Pray, inshallah. Eid Mubarak though, yeah.
Eid Mubarak.
Just before we get back into the grind and work, so as I was saying, I just thought, like, being the car community that it is, I just thought we can all lead by example. We can keep pushing. Like I said, growing up, I always knew like unity was a thing, and building, you know, brotherhood was such an important thing. And like I said, right now, everything just feels so disoriented. Everything that's been fed into us is like we should stay in our homes. The things that's socialized out there now, it's very toxic. The things that, like, you know, the things that's out there now, it should really be more focused on brotherhood and how we can improve our life, how we can help other people's life, and not so much about, like, you know, me, I. Right now, the way the system is designed is to make us really, like, you know, like, how can I say it? Like, it's not selfish. It's like, worry about yourself and not everybody else. Like, focus on yourself. Like, we're all divided. That's what the system is trying to do, but we will not let that happen. Brotherhood Stakes community, we're going to keep growing. And if there's anybody out there that's new in this channel, you know, you're not alone. If you have a car, it doesn't matter what car you've got. If you like cars, if you don't have a car, this is a channel where we will talk about cars and build unity and connections, and we're going to help each other, inspire each other to keep on going and achieve our goals and dreams and go places. Like I said, we'll do like a car meet this summer, as big as we can, and we'll go somewhere, especially where it's not so worldly, it's not so much about city, it's more out in the open, you know, like a nice scenic, you know, the creation of the world. And like I said, nice road, B roads, nice cars. What's gonna beat that? Honestly, nothing. It looks like a Jaguar, that Honda does. Right, let's go, turbo, kick in. Boom. We need to go in the right lane. This bit is the most dangerous bit of the whole road. I could have just went in over there, but I'm gonna be nice because today is a day of unity. That's it. Nice and easy. I'll probably go in the fast lane. I always get scared of driving off the bridge. Kind of scary that is. Crazy, right? I need to go in the left lane. Look how close he is. Let's go. Boom. Man, rush hour traffic. Let's go. Everybody have a blessed Friday today. You know, back in the days, back in the 1400s, Friday was the day where everybody in the community would get together, you know, and have like a motivational talk of what we can do to make the community better and start all over again. Right. Wow. Crash. Slammed his brake, man. Yeah. Eid Mubarak, yeah. I just want to say, yeah, it's people like you that are making a difference in this world, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, take this. That go in the bucket, is it? Thank you.
you.
Right.
Thank you.
You're the change of this world, alright. Keep doing your work, man. Alright, take care. Thank you. He's doing God's work, and so I just had to just pull up, go over to him, and just shake his hand, and just he is changing the world. It kind of like motivated me, inspired me, because I'm not doing enough in this world, and the younger generation needs to see that. So it's quite a powerful moment that was for me, guys. I just thought I'll share that with you. I know I filmed it with the GoPro, but I just had to, because no one's ever gonna know, no one's ever gonna see, and I hope that clip right there gets so many people to watch and get inspired by it. It is now the afternoon time. The grind does not stop. So right now I'm still driving the Skoda, done the grind shift, and now it's time to go feed Arthur. The usual day-to-day basis. And like I said, this video is like I'm trying to keep it like some videos day in the life. So I've got the morning videos which ain't gonna come up today. I have got a backlog of morning videos, but at the same time I do want to upload like throughout the day, like getting things done. And I feel like getting things done is what motivates me. I'm inspired by that when I watch other people's videos. So if I incorporate the things that I do, it will help people as well as myself. And I think when you watch things being done, it's doable, it's possible. Like that time when I seen Adam LZ, the YouTuber, he was just a normal human being. We had a chat, and if he did it, we can all do it. But anyway, let's go to feed Arthur right now. Come on, Fig. 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 Arthur's such a beast. Yeah. You know, one thing I do, oh wow, saying like give kiss to subscribers, and it's just that's the thing. Kiss to subscribers. Felix from now on. Yep. Those of you that are new, not the OGs, he's actually 13 years old. So you guys, update on the car so far. The cars will be coming out very soon. Boosted FN2, EK Civic. The content is going to be dropping really soon. Now that the weather's getting better, I don't need to wear this winter coat. But yeah, let's just quickly just say bye to Fig before we end today's video. Me touch. Good, I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you're new, smash the like button, drop a comment, tell me how your day's been, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, fellow hoodstigs. Guys, there's a Spitfire that I've seen and I want to catch up to it. There it is! Guys, that's a Spitfire! My dream is to see one of these in real life. Just look at that. Get a better view of this. Just watch this. Where is it? It should be here. There it is, guys. Look, Spitfire. You guys enjoyed that? Oh man, drove hard and fast to catch up to that, just for that picture.